So when you randomly find yourself in Milford Sounds on such a beautiful day, other than a boat trip, what do you guys do? You go on a helicopter trip, of course.
Lately, everything's trembling. All my shelters are opening. Feels like everything's crumbling. All the windows are shattering. Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing.
Got up early this morning to go see sunrise, and now we're running late to get onto this boat here in Milford Sound. So hopefully I can still buy these tickets. I don't even know how to get in. How do I get in? Ah, maybe here.
Milford Sounds, located on New Zealand's South Island. It's known for its towering Mitre Peak, 2 residence waterfall,
coming into view now. That is the Bowen Falls there, folks, 160 metres high, named after Lady
Stirling and Bowen Falls, and its marine life. The weather here can be unpredictable and considered the wettest part of New Zealand. On average, raining about 182 days per year. There are 2 permanent waterfalls in Milford Sounds, so on a sunny day, that's all you'll see. But on a rainy day, hundreds of waterfalls appear from every cliff edge in sight. As you can tell, we arrived on a sunny day, so it looks like I'll have to come back and explore the rain and see Milford Sounds at its best. The most popular way to explore Milford Sounds is by boat. However, when you meet up with a gal like Cassie,
How excited are you about this?
pretty excited, you can expect to explore the terrain in a different type of way.
On a helicopter before.
It's cozy, but we can make it work.
It'll work. Just like that, we've landed on a glacier. No big deal.
And who doesn't like to land on a glacier from time to time?